Good girl Maybelline, good girl Corey, good girl Estelle, boy Rupert, good boy Bandit, good boy Paz, good boy Stu, good boy Maverick.
Hi, how are you?
Hi Polly, how are you?
Not bad. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Hi, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
Good, thanks. Funny seeing you so far away.
I know I'm going to go see a friend who lives in Cabbage Town.
All right, well, have a nice day.
Thanks, yeah, you too.
Okay. Come on, good girls. Good boys. Hi Johnny, how are you?
Good, all the wet dogs. Eh?
All wet dogs, yeah. Good girl Estelle.
She's being so still.
Yeah. Look at that, sweetheart. She's relaxed.
Yeah.
Good girl.
She can have massage all the day.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
Okay, see ya.
See you.
Bye, sir. Hi, Lucy.
Rupert, good girl Maybelline.
She always shines, she always clean.
Yeah, good girl. And that's Bandit.
Yes, man, it's very
Oh,
so
Rupert.
they're so welcome.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Good boy.
Which breed is it?
He's a Bernedoodle. Yeah, a mixture of
Bernese
a
and-
Bernese Mountain Dog and a Poodle.
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
such a white coat.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Look at those big ears.
I heard these breeds have a problem with the digestion.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm not too sure. I walked 3 of them and they all seem
they're
okay.
fine?
They're all happy dogs. People see them coming and they put a smile on their face, you know.
They are like the. Seriously, he was like, he just want.
Yeah, he's so happy there. All right, good girls. Good boy. All right, we're gonna get going. All right, see you now.
See you in bed.
All right. Come on, guys, girls, let's go.
Behind our boys too.
Yeah, these ones are all. Oh, look at Rupert.
Rupert smelling food. Look at, oh my God, they're so adorable.
Yeah, that's Rupert. That's Paz. He knows you probably got treats.
Oh, that's why.
Maybe, I don't know.
Gosh, they're
Yeah.
smelling.
Oh, they're happy anyway, you know.
Smelling my rye bread.
Yeah, probably.
Boy.
All right, good boys.
Take care,
All right,
man.
have a nice day. Stay cool. It's a hot one.
Yeah, I knew you guys were 86 also. Then Nova Scotia. Huh. How great they all are. Talk it off of me. Stay on the shoulder.
Girl Estelle. All right, Maybelline, let's go.
Okay, sir.
All
Take
right,
care.
see you later. Let's go.